vision of our President Sir Shri Rakesh Janji and the entire management that children, once they come to school, the experience should be so joyful and fulfilling that they do not feel like going back. And we see it in our children. They keep sitting in the labs till evening.
तो आपको लगता है कि ये जो पहले की जो ट्रेडिशनल ये रॉट लर्निंग थी उससे थोड़ी डिफरेंट है?
If you see our kindergarten wing, we have planned our education in such a way that constantly there is development of critical and creative thinking, and we make our children problem solvers.
एंड मैम, आप जो नई एनईपी पॉलिसी है उसको आप कैसे देखती हैं?
I would say NEP has brought a positive transformational change the way we learn and teach.
तो मैम, आपको लगता है कि जो और भी स्कूल्स हैं देश के अंदर या और भी जो पेरेंट्स हैं उनको इस प्रोग्राम में जाना चाहिए वैदिक मैथ एंड एबेकस के अंदर?
So from the beginning, I had no distraction. It was very clear that I am going to become a teacher.
नमस्कार एंड थैंक यू मैम फॉर ज्वाइनिंग मी हियर टुडे मॉर्निंग.
Thank you, sir.
आज मैं इस समय BCM आर्या मॉडल स्कूल जो कि शास्त्री नगर लुधियाना में है, और ये मेरा परम सौभाग्य है कि मैं स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल मैडम अनुजा कौशल जी के साथ में हूँ, जो कि इस समय स्कूल को बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से चला रही हैं. इसको कामयाब बनाने के लिए पूरी तरीके से इसमें मग्न हैं और इसमें इन्वॉल्व हैं. और मैडम ये फर्मली मानती हैं, जो भी मेरी आज तक इनसे बात हुई है उनसे ये फर्मली मानती हैं कि इस दुनिया में दो ही टॉप प्रोफेशंस हैं, टीचिंग एंड पेरेंटिंग. रेस्ट इज ऑल विंडो ड्रेसिंग. दैट इज व्हाई दिस स्कूल हैज बिकम सो पॉपुलर and so doing so well in this country, and I'm so happy to be with madam. Madam, thank you so very much for
Thank you
joining
so
me
much.
here.
Thank you
And
so
it's
much,
a
Mr.
privilege and honor to be with you, ma'am.
Same here.
So ma'am, to begin with, मैं यही मेरी बहुत क्यूरियोसिटी है ये जानने की कि आपको क्यों लगा कि आपको यंग माइंड्स के साथ काम करना चाहिए?
I always say I'm an educationist, hardcore educationist, because from the beginning my mama herself was a teacher, and we've seen her passionately working with young children. So from there only, I would say the seed was sown to become a teacher and make difference in the lives of the children, because I would often see children after years getting professionally successful coming to her and giving her the gratitude for the difference she made into their life. So that's how I found it, that it's a very meaningful and fulfilling profession. So from the beginning, I had no distraction. It was very clear that I'm going to become a teacher.
So nice. तो आपने अपनी मम्मी के बारे में बताया, और वो स्कूल में टीचर थी और संस्कृत की टीचर थी.
Yeah.
इसी वजह से उन्होंने आपका नाम अनुज यानी छोटा, एंड यू बीइंग सबसे छोटी से अनुजा है,
Exactly.
छोटी है तो उन्होंने अनुज से अनुजा बनाया. इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल. इसी वजह से नाम में कितनी जान होती है, दैट इज व्हाट इट शोज. एंड मैम, आप जो नई एनईपी पॉलिसी है उसको आप कैसे देखती हैं?
I would say NEP has brought a positive transformational change the way we learn and teach, because earlier there was a lot of emphasis on grades and marks, and students and the parents used to be more concerned about getting the marks and grades, and so a lot of cramming and stress was there on development of just one skill, that is memorization skill. But then with NEP 2020 recommendations, lot of change we've seen in the education system. Now there is a shift in the mindset of the teaching faculty. Even the parents' mindset is changing, because now there is a lot of emphasis on developing the real competencies of the children. So now the focus has shifted from rote memory to hands-on practical experiences, connecting education with the real life application. When the students, they find relevance of what they are studying in the real life, so they understand the concepts better. So there is a lot of emphasis on conceptual understanding. NEP also has given a lot of emphasis on development of life skills and employability skills. So middle school, 6th, 7th, 8th, that is considered to be the best age when the interests of the students, they start developing. So CBSE under NEP has given a lot of emphasis on developing critical and creative thinking at this age particularly, so that the interest areas they get developed and the 21st century skills, they prepare them for the uncertain job markets they're going to enter.
तो आपको लगता है कि ये जो पहले की जो ट्रेडिशनल ये रॉट लर्निंग थी उससे थोड़ी डिफरेंट है?
Yes, certainly. Earlier there was a lot of emphasis on covering theory in the classrooms, and once in a week students would go to labs. So now, because of NEP and because there is a lot of stress on practical work and hands-on learning, there is more emphasis on lab work. So now we have flipped our pedagogy also in the school. Earlier there used to be theory first, and supporting the theory, 1 or 2 practicals used to be done by the teachers. Now teachers begin with hands-on practicals first, and then they connect theory with those practical experiences. So that way the students, they get more curious to know about the theory. They get, their minds get ready to learn, and then they are taught the theory part.
So it's more of a learning.
More of a learning, and that too hands-on learning.
Hands-on learning.
Hands-on learning.
So I want to tell my audience कि when I've been to this school और मैंने स्कूल का जो स्किल डेवलपमेंट सेंटर है उसको देखा, and it is one of the most beautiful skill centers which I've seen in the country. और मुझे मैम आपका जो स्किल के अलग अलग स्किल सेट बना रखे हैं और जो आपके हर एज का बच्चा उस स्किल सेट के माध्यम से गुजरता है, तो मुझे लगता है दिस इज समथिंग वेरी एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी. So what you said is very correct. It is more of a skill-based learning, so that children get hands-on learning and they can go to next level. मैंने एक और देखा मैम कि आपके यहाँ पे वैदिक मैथ और एबेकस भी आप अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं.
Exactly.
तो इससे आपको क्या लगा, ये कितना इफेक्टिव है, and how you feel that it is helping children to go to next level?
From the beginning, I have been a very strong proponent of Vedic maths and abacus. Because I feel it's a sort of, in addition to children gaining the skills of mental calculations, it also helps in building mental stamina of the students. So it's a sort of mental exercise, making their brain muscles strong. So the students as young as of 4th and 5th standard, when they come, the ones who are learning abacus, when they come to my office, I ask them certain calculations, multiply 3 digit by 3 digit. They take fraction of seconds to do it. So Vedic maths and abacus, I would say they have the role to play in enhancing the numerical ability of the children. They become very comfortable in doing day-to-day calculations and applying maths to daily life. And in addition, I find the students who learn Vedic maths, they are more focused, their concentration is more, and they're more resilient when it comes to problem solving. So their analytical ability, logical reasoning, that becomes better. So I always feel that students should opt for these 2 subjects, Vedic maths and abacus.
क्योंकि मैं देखता हूं कि दिन पर दिन जो मैथ्स की लर्निंग है, और इस समय बहुत ही बच्चों को डिफिकल्ट लगता था कि यार मैथ बहुत डिफिकल्ट सब्जेक्ट है, हम पास नहीं कर पाएंगे. और कई बच्चे जो साइंस लेना चाहते थे, मैथ्स के डर से साइंस न लेके वो कॉमर्स और आर्ट्स लेते थे. तो मैम आपको लगता है कि जो और भी स्कूल्स हैं देश के अंदर, या और भी जो पेरेंट्स हैं, उनको इस प्रोग्राम में जाना चाहिए वैदिक मैथ एंड एबेकस के अंदर?
I would say this comes from my own experience. I did bachelor's and master's in zoology. I'm zoology honors. And at that time when we had to appear for common interest test to get into the universities. So I was getting chemistry honors. And during my interaction with the panel for selection, they offered me chemistry. And I was very much inclined that if chemistry be given to me, I'll do. But then while having interaction with them, they told me that maths is a mandatory part of it. So I withdrew myself from chemistry and chose to be in doing zoology honors because maths was a phobia. So that's how I developed it as a mission that students must get comfortable with maths and maths calculations. So when they do Vedic mathematics and they learn mental calculations to do it very fast, I find that maths doesn't remain intimidating for them. They start playing with numbers and they start enjoying numbers, and that's how maths should be taught.
Oh, that's wonderful. And मैम आपको क्या लगता है कि जो आज का जो टाइम है जहाँ पे इतना प्रेशर है बच्चों पे पढ़ने का, कंपटीशन का, बहुत ज़्यादा आगे बढ़ने का, पैसे कमाने का, क्योंकि इट्स वेरी सरप्राइजिंग कि आज का यंग बच्चा भी बात करता है. जैसे मैं कई बार बच्चों को जब इंटरव्यू लेता हूँ तो मैं पूछता हूँ तुम्हें क्या करना है, तो बोले सर पैसे कमाने. मैंने कहा कैसे, बोले वो हमें नहीं पता, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि मैम स्कूल को या आपका अपना स्कूल ऐसा क्या करता है कि जहां बच्चों को प्रेशर कम लगे एंड दे एंजॉय देयर स्टडीज, दे टेंड टू गेट more of a practical experience and they could succeed in life?
Even I often interact with the students, and amazingly the students have this mindset, entrepreneurial mindset, that they have to start earning from early age. So when I talk to them that from where will the money come, so generally answer comes from business. But from business also you need to have an investment, you need to have money. From where the money will come? The answer is we'll take a loan. But nobody talks about earning. So then generally we tell our children that they need to have certain skills which can help them to earn that initial money. Why to rely on the parents or on the loans? So that's how right from the beginning, if you see our kindergarten wing, we have planned our education in such a way that constantly there is development of critical and creative thinking, and we make our children problem solvers. So even if you take our path to kindergarten, you'll find there are so many elements, musical instruments, interactive elements which have been installed to stimulate the senses of the children. So while going, they do so many things before they reach the classroom, and every classroom and every corridor speaks or says something. So we installed so many things on the wall. There are 3D games, hands-on games, and in the classrooms also. So it's always doing something and creating something of their own. So that's our agenda, not to let children just cram and learn what we are teaching, but to create something of their own. And similarly, in every wing, we have 4 wings: kindergarten, primary, and middle and senior. In every wing, there is independent computer lab, independent science composite lab, independent, we've given them the performing arts lab, dance and music lab. So we've created n number of practical labs for them, and I've told teachers to go beyond the textbooks to do practicals with them.
Wow.
So that's why we have created a separate department of skill education. I don't think any school, at least in Ludhiana, is having that. And we have mass media lab. Our students are capable of making small movies. They
wow.
Yes. So, and that is not the part of their syllabus exactly, but the teachers, they teach them the skills beyond the textbooks. Similarly, we have full-fledged food production lab. Our +1 and +2 students, they generate entrepreneurship already. While when they enter in +1, they generate business, they create certain goodies which are sold in the market, and the share they get. So they start earning right from the school lab. Similarly, we have a beauty and wellness lab, and you'll be amazed to know it's not only the girls, the boys are doing beauty and wellness, because this is also a very lucrative
opportunity.
field now.
Yes.
And then we have fashion lab. The students create the jute bags, the sustainable products, and from the old clothes, and they sell it in the market. Again, they are also earning. So many students are earning. And then the most important part of our vocational wing is we have financial marketing management in our school. So our +1 and +2 students, they go on to teach 6 to 8 students how to invest money. And many of the students have already invested. They are investing their pocket money to multiply. So they have already this concept.
They already have the plan in place.
Yes.
Very nice. So ma'am, it means what I understand from you is children learn more by seeing and doing,
By doing.
not only by listening.
Yes.
So that's why you have this practical approach.
Yes.
तो मैम आज का जो कॉम्पिटिटिव वर्ल्ड है इसमें अदर देन नॉलेज व्हाट आर द स्किल यू फील दैट स्टूडेंट शुड अडॉप्ट एंड दे शुड लर्न सो दैट इट हेल्प देम इन देयर फ्यूचर लाइफ?
So there are so many 21st century skills which we focus on in developing in the kids, because they are actually the knowledge keeps on changing, but the transversal skills, they always remain with them. So first and foremost, we encourage our children to develop the effective communication skills. So when they generate an idea, we tell children that one day you will have to stand on an international platform and you will have to share your idea with people. Only then they'll be able to sell their idea. So that's how we work a lot on developing those negotiation and communication and conversation skills. And the second thing is critical thinking and problem solving. So we give many case studies to children to read them, and then we to address the problem they are able to see. So ours is the first school where we implemented design thinking. That comes out from innovation, which comes out from empathy. So as soon as CBSE launched that subject, we immediately introduced design thinking in our school, and we have full-fledged design thinking lab where children keep thinking about the problems community is facing, and they start with some of the solutions, and they keep adding. And you know, it's a very interesting culture in our school. We have different labs, and all labs come together to support that venture. The science department puts the physics things, and finance department puts the finance things, artificial intelligence department puts the artificial intelligence things, robotics people, they put their sensors. So this is how we bring out innovation, and we've already patented one of our idea recently.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Because this is the first time I am hearing that a school is
Yes.
patenting something. So मुझे लगता है ये आपके हार्डवर्क का नतीजा है, और ये भी मैंने पहली बार सुना किसी स्कूल प्लेटफॉर्म पे जो कि थिंकिंग के ऊपर काम कर रहा है. क्योंकि रिसर्च ये कहती है इन दिस वर्ल्ड ओनली 2% पीपल थिंक,
Yeah.
and 3% people think that they think,
Yeah,
and 95% people they don't think, ma'am. So I'm very grateful कि बच्चों को हम अभी से सिखा रहे हैं कि वो सोचें कैसे,
Yeah.
and that's why you created this design thinking lab. Truly appreciate, ma'am. तो मैं, मेरा लास्ट सवाल आपसे ये है कि स्कूल को लेकर, इस एजुकेशन को लेकर, इन बच्चों को लेकर आपका फ्यूचर प्लान क्या है, आप इसको कैसे देखती हैं, एंड व्हाट इज योर विजन ऑन दिस?
Our vision for BCM Arya Ludhiana is to always stay ahead of the curve. We wish our school to be growing as a progressive institute where academic excellence blends with innovation, entrepreneurship, and most importantly, a strong value system. So we want our children to be critical thinkers, but we do not want them to be just materialistic. We have a very strong value system. We have Yajashala in our school. Daily Havan is performed. So our children are very well grounded, and it is famous in the entire city in Punjab that BCM Arya students, they have very strong character and a value system. So that's how it is very important. We want our children to come to school, and this is actually vision of our President Sir Shri Rakesh Jain ji and the entire management, that children, once they come to school, the experience should be so joyful and fulfilling that they do not feel like going back. And we see it in our children. They keep sitting in the labs till evening. Kindergartners, they are so held up in their colorful zone, they do not wish to go. Parents have to pull them. So that's the vision with which, so we want our children not just to learn, but to apply the knowledge.
Applying the knowledge.
Apply the knowledge. And we do not want them to just adapt to whatever is available, but to evolve, create, design, and to lead. So we wish to provide country the doctors, engineers, artists, leaders, so that they contribute to the dream of Viksit Bharat. That's the vision we have for our school.
To be honest with you, ma'am, it's an extreme pleasure to be with you. जहाँ पर हमने क्लास में लर्निंग की बात करी, हैंड्स ऑन की बात करी, लीडरशिप की बात करी, थिंकिंग की बात करी, क्रिएटिविटी की बात करी, हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस की बात करी, एम्पैथी की बात करी, बिकॉज इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड एम्पैथी इज व्हाट इज रियली मिसिंग. आपका हार्डवर्क का नतीजा इस स्कूल की खुशबू में दिखता है, यहाँ के एम्बियंस में दिखता है. आपकी टीम को देखकर जब मैं मिला तो इट लुक्स सो दैट यू आर सो मच इन्वॉल्व्ड विद द होल इकोसिस्टम. इट्स बीन प्रिविलेज and honor to be with you, ma'am. Thank you so very
Thank you
much
so much.
for
Thank
being
you.
with me.
Thank you so much.
Namaste.